In this video, we will discuss the health benefits of turmeric tea, how to make turmeric tea, plus the potential risks and complications of drinking turmeric tea. Before we proceed to this video, don't forget to click the like button, share to your friends, subscribe to Early 7 YouTube channel, and click the bell icon for more rad-clusive videos. Turmeric is a bright yellow-orange spice, commonly used in curries and sauces. It comes from the turmeric root. The spice has been used for its medicinal, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties for thousands of years. Turmeric tea is one popular form of consuming turmeric. It has a unique but subtle flavor. The tea is also a great way to reap the following health benefits of turmeric. 1. Eases arthritis symptoms. Turmeric tea's strong anti-inflammatory properties can help ease inflammation and swelling in people with arthritis. This reduces painful symptoms. One study found that an active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, was effective in reducing pain in patients with osteoarthritis. 2. Helps prevent Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurologic disorder that causes the brain to shrink or atrophy and brain cells to die. Turmeric's antioxidants prevent damage that can lead to Alzheimer's. It seems that the curcumin found in turmeric may help prevent it. Even more importantly, some research shows that turmeric can reduce the synaptic marker loss and the accumulation of amyloids linked to Alzheimer's development. 3. Helps prevent cancer. Turmeric tea's many medicinal properties, including antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, could contribute to cancer prevention. The National Cancer Institute has recognized curcumin as an effective anti-carcinogen, or substance that helps prevent cancer. 4. Maintains ulcerative colitis remission. Ulcerative colitis is a chronic condition that causes ulcers in the lower end of the gastrointestinal tract. Turmeric could help maintain remission from symptoms. According to a study, ulcerative colitis patients in remission had significantly lower relapse rates if they consumed turmeric. 5. Boosts the immune system. The medicinal properties in turmeric may be able to boost the immune system, even in people with immune disorders. One study theorized that turmeric can moderate the immune system. 6. Lowers cholesterol. Lowering LDL or bad cholesterol can help reduce your risk of developing some serious conditions, including heart disease and stroke. There's evidence that turmeric is effective at doing just that. A 2008 study found that a low dose of curcumin was associated with reduced LDL and total cholesterol levels. 7. Can help treat uveitis. Uveitis is an inflammation of the iris. Some early researches indicated that curcumin found in turmeric may actually be as effective of a treatment as corticosteroids, but without the side effects. How to make turmeric tea. To make turmeric tea at home, follow these steps. Boil 3 to 4 cups of water on the stove. Then add 2 teaspoons of turmeric and stir. Simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea into another container. Lastly, add in honey, fresh squeezed lemon or orange juice, and milk to taste. What are the potential risks and complications of drinking turmeric tea? Turmeric is generally safe as long as you consume it in moderation. You should check with your doctor about drinking turmeric tea if you have had inflammation of the gallbladder or gallbladder stones, obstruction of bowel passages, stomach ulcers, and diabetes. Almost anyone can benefit from drinking turmeric tea, especially because it can boost the immune system and act as an anti-cancer agent. People who have diabetes or who take blood thinners should talk to their doctors before trying any turmeric supplement. That concludes our video for the health benefits of turmeric tea. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to click the like button, share to your friends, subscribe to Early 7 YouTube channel, and click the bell icon for more rad-clusive videos.